Hey, welcome back to Nosco Unpacked, the channel all about flexible packaging. I'm Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager here at Nosco, and today we're going to go take a peek and see what my buddy Steve is up to. Yeah, he looks like he's up to no good. Come with me. Hey, Steve.
Hey, Steven, how are you? Can you hold on just 1 second? I was just completing a very important experiment.
Yeah, sure.
My hypothesis was correct. I do prefer green tea over Earl Grey.
You've always got something cooking up in the lab here, Steve. Which actually brings me to the reason why I'm here. I got a question for you.
Sure, how can I help, Steven?
I need some help understanding extended producer responsibility.
Excellent question. Extended producer responsibility.
Hold on just 1 second. Yeah, extended producer responsibility.
That's a great question, Steven. Funny, I was just thinking about that last night as I was falling asleep. EPR is an effort by both state and local authorities to try to find a way to hold packaging producers and brand owners responsible for the waste that they create in their packaging. So it doesn't end up, in landfills or along the side of the road or even in our oceans. So this effort is both to hold them responsible for what happens to that waste, but also to try to build in some of the cost of disposing of that waste into the original price. It really creates a financial responsibility for the producers and the brand owners.
So ultimately, it's to try to help hold multiple people across all of the life cycle responsible for the circularity of that particular pack.
Exactly.
So I understand kind of what the spirit of what we're trying to accomplish is, but how can a brand owner or a packaging provider be held responsible for what the end consumer does with their package once they're done using it?
There's no doubt it's challenging, but it's really more than that. It has to do with a packaging producer can decide to offer and produce packages that are easy to recycle. They can also choose to use packaging materials that have a lot of recycled content. So that really is part of that process to say, you're responsible for making sure that package does not end up in landfills.
The last thing that comes to my mind, though, is that doesn't necessarily prevent the consumer from disposing of that package in the trash or just discarding it on the side of the road.
Yeah, Steve, I truly believe that people want to do the right thing, but they don't always know what the right thing is. So as a package producer and brand owner, we need to make sure that they understand how to recycle their product and make it as easy as possible for them to do so. They're helping people do the right thing by providing that communication and that ease of recyclability.
So we're really, again, it's collaboration. The spirit of what we're trying to do here is collaboration between all the parties involved, from the producers, the brands, and even the consumers.
Exactly.
And the overall impact is reducing our environmental impact and being more sustainable.
And if the consumers know what to do, most of the time, they want to do it right.
So, Steve, what are we doing at Nosco to help partner with our customers and brand owners to really make this sustainability impact a bigger impact on being responsible producers of packaging?
Yeah. Steve, first and foremost, we want to be honest. We don't want to be doing greenwashing. We want to communicate the honest truth about the sustainability of our packaging. In addition to that, we want to be able to offer a number of different recyclable materials that our customers can choose from, as well as materials that have high levels of recycled content. In addition, we want to help our customers, and we're ready to help our customers help communicate with their consumers about how best to recycle their product. We're here, we have lots of resources, and we can help them develop the right programs so they can be responsible for their packaging. It's really the right thing to do.
Steve, thanks so much for all the information you shared on this topic. I really appreciate it.
You're certainly welcome, Stephen, anytime.
And I hope you enjoyed listening and learning a bunch with us. As always, like and subscribe. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging made easy. See you next time. Let's go with just the one step. That's what we were at before.
Yeah, one step.